Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that.
Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making Rice Krispie treats. It's gonna be cookies and cream. And we different because we got Cocoa Krispies. Who you know use Cocoa Krispies? Everybody always uses regular Krispies. So first you need a box of Cocoa Krispie treats. Well, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. You guys want to follow my recipe. So you need a whole box of Cocoa Krispies, real chocolate, and you need 5 cups of that. I hope this is 5 cups in here because if not, I'm gonna be so mad. You need 5 pounds, right? Or 5 ounces.
You stupid. You stupid. You
No, 5 ounces. Well, you need a bag of mini marshmallows, basically. So, and all that you get at Target, by the way. I got sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, just because I'm extra. You don't need that. I have Oreos. I had to get some today because I only had this one, and she said you need 12, and I only had 6. So then we have like chocolate chips that my boyfriend likes to eat. I don't know how you could just eat these regularly, but he likes to eat these. You also need butter. Not all of this. I'm pretty sure I don't need like this much, but you need butter. But first, I'm gonna crush the Oreos. I was already prepared for this.
Hercules, Hercules.
And I don't know what this is, but you could just crush stuff with this. Alright, y'all. I think I'm good. So I put that to the side now. We're at the stove now. So now I'm about to get the butter and the marshmallows. This is the crucial part because you don't want to like burn the marshmallows. I only have 1 bag, so make sure this is perfect. Alright, y'all. So I have my little cup thingy so I can measure everything out. Now we need 3 tablespoons of butter. So I'm just gonna see. I left the butter out for a while so it'll be soft. Look, y'all, the tablespoon thing is cute and yeah. Oh yeah, she said set it to low, y'all. So make sure your thing is low. I'm putting it in now. Just the whole thing in at this point. Who follows the rules? Stir it around the pot. Basically, you want it to like get all around the edges and stuff, so like when the marshmallows get it, it won't basically stick and stuff. Oh, never mind, y'all. You do need 12 Oreos. You have to keep on stirring the pot until all the butter in here that you guys see is fully melted, and then we're gonna add the marshmallows. Just keep on stirring until the butter is melted, and it's almost done. I just skipped the Mickey part. All the Barbs know.
All of you bitches at school, if you the ops, you gon' be singing the blue. My niggas is from out of Queens, headed to Harlem now.
Alright, y'all, so now the butter's melted, now we can add the marshmallows. I'm gonna add all the marshmallows in the bowl. And now we're just gonna mix until it's fully melted. It's gonna take 6 minutes, about 6 minutes. And I'm just following Ro's recipe, guys, okay? So I'm giving all the credit to Ro. I just want to try it because I love her. I love her recipes. She's amazing. But you have to continue to mix, y'all. Y'all can't just leave it alone because you know how marshmallows get. They will literally get stuff together and stuff. So you don't want that. That's how it looks right now. She's right. This is going to take a while. I'm going to talk to y'all when this is done melted because it's going to take a while for real. Alright, I'm going to give y'all a close-up real quick, you guys. So you have to see what we're working with. This is the marshmallows. They're taking some time to melt. So yeah.
5 minutes later.
So I'm back and now the butter is melted. So I'm back with my Rice Krispies. I'm gonna open it now. This is 1 cup of Rice Krispies. Oh, I spilled some. This is 2. That was barely 5. Oh my god. But anyways, now you're just gonna mix it. So it all has some marshmallow. Alright, y'all, this is how it's looking so far. It's no mag. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, I mixed all of it. Now we're gonna add the Oreos, but only like a half because we need half for the topping. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna pour it in just a little bit. That's how it's looking right now. So this is hard, y'all. Jeez. I don't know if it's just me, but personally I like chocolate Rice Krispie treats better. So that's why I use this, just because I want to be different. Also, I like this better. So. Alright, y'all, this is what it look like
Yo, look, babe, guy makes his wife hard on it.
I have to get the pan. I'll be right back, and I'll show you guys me patting and everything, because you want to pat it down, let it cool, then we're going to add the top. I'm going to just put it all over and pat it down and let it cool while I heat up the chocolate. Babe.
Yes, mommy.
Can you scrape it out? It's hard. Alright, y'all, now that I have it on the pan, I'm gonna spread it out, and I'm gonna pat it with another piece of aluminum foil so I don't have parchment paper. But I would recommend that you get parchment paper. I don't even know how to say it. So my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna come back when I flatten it out and it's time for the topping. Alright, y'all, so now that I flatten it out, as you guys can see, and I also let it cool, now I'm going to take my white chocolate chips and just, I think I only need like a cup, basically. You just pour that all in. I'm just pouring all of this because it's not that much anyways. And just microwave it, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna drizzle it and top it with the Oreos. I put it in the microwave for 15 seconds twice. I'm just gonna sprinkle it all around, and I'm just gonna smooth it out. I gotta work fast though because this chocolate be melting real quick. Blame it on the alcohol. Alright guys, so it's all topped with the white chocolate. Now I'm just gonna add Oreo crust.
AKMAR produced.
Alright y'all, so now I'm finished. Here's the finishing product. It looks so pretty. And now I'm gonna have this cool down for like 10 minutes. And I'm gonna cut it. You know how like Rice Krispie treats are cut like squares or so. So when y'all catch me again, I'm gonna be cutting them and then we're gonna try it. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna come back in another 10 minutes because it's still sticky. It's supposed to be solid fat. Should I put it in the refrigerator? I'm putting it in the refrigerator, y'all, so it can like go faster. Look how pretty it is. Get an up close look. Yummy, yummy.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's the next day as you guys can see. I don't know if I told you guys, but I put them in the refrigerator so it could cool a lot faster because it was taking a long time. But I had to leave it out overnight because it was too hard. But now it's the consistency of a Rice Krispie. So we have one piece right here. Alright y'all, so here's like one Rice Krispie treat close up. Look at it. Y'all can't wait to try this. Oh my god. Okay. Girl. This is a quick DIY hack, you know, for parties. I see like a lot of people just for like their kids' parties and stuff, but they don't taste as good as mine. Cause who you know uses cocoa Rice Krispie treats? They always using the regular, so. Woo! Really so good. Yeah. Alright, you guys. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me making it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed thinking with your girl Icy. But no, seriously guys, I really suggest you guys go try this at home because it's really is good. It's really good. So I would recommend you guys try it. It's super easy, you know. It's really nothing you have to do. There's no bacon involved, really, honestly. Just put butter in a pan with marshmallows, stir it consistently for like 6 minutes, put the cereal in, top it, you're done. Now Ro has literally a dozen recipes, and make sure you guys go check her out because I want to credit her for this video because she's the reason why I did this video, because I really wanted to try it and I followed her recipe completely except for the cereal part. Obviously I used cocoa. I hope you guys this video once again. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye pretties.
Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that.
Ain't never been with a chick this bad.